Alright, here's my second installment here on facial shapes. We are going with a lips here. So lips have, I've talked about planes before. There's different planes. There's like a cliff, which is the top lip, and there's another cliff underneath the bottom lip. So if you think of like a mountain range and there's like a cliff that extends out, that's what your lip kind of does. Your top lip does that, and so does your bottom lip. So you can see I have my handy dandy pencil there, and I am starting to draw it out. Now there's different kinds of lips, okay? You have the cupid bow lips, you have the big lips, you have the can opener lip, which is basically, it's a line, a squiggly line, kind of a lip. Your bottom lips are also different affected. There's like a poofy side on both sides. There's one big poof, or it's sharp. So there's different lip shapes to be aware of. But here's the basic one. Normally underneath there's kind of a bump, and then it goes down and up on both sides. And that should be, the top lip should be the darkest because it should be in shadow. The reason why it's in shadow, sun is up, lights are up, shadow's down. So that's why the top lip is probably going to have some light on it, except for the shadow from the nose, because it's another cliff. And your top lip goes in towards your teeth, so that's another cliff that would be in shadow. There's not going to be a lot more light on it than what it is. And then there's the bottom lip. So the top part of the bottom lip is going to have some shadow because of the top lip. Normally it's a little bit back, and it's going to have a little bit of shadow on the bottom. You want to go in and leave a highlight and do it that way. Underneath the lip, the bottom lip is going to be another shadow. So you can see the shadows that are on there. Like always, small circles. You want to gradate up from the top lip. So the bottom part of the lip should be the darkest, and you want to go a little bit lighter as you extend up. And you see there. You can see that the top part of the lip is like a bow on a bow and arrow. And then I'm getting the clef. I'm shading the clef a little bit because the clef has basically three planes to it. There's the side, there's the middle of the clef, and then each side of the clef is its own plane. Remember, you can always go darker. So start off light and work on your darks, your darks to your midtones to your highlights. So see there, I'm darkening it up a little bit more. I'm putting some dots in there, adding some texture. You can do light lines in the bottom of the lip, that helps. Here's the different kinds of lips straightforward. There's the bottom cupid bow lip. Okay. There's some people that have like extended palate on their teeth, so it's kind of rounded like that, and then it goes up or goes down depending on what kind of mood you want the lips to have. And that bottom one is normally used for like really poofy lips, you know. And there I'm going doing the top of them. Some of that cupid bow can be really sharp. Some people have really sharp lips, really angular lips. Some are really round. You want to notice these things if you're drawing people, if you're drawing stuff, how the lips look. Often you draw from what you know and not what you see. And that's the biggest problem. That's why a lot of students have a problem. They're drawing what they know. You have to combine both of them. You have to draw from what you know and what you see. Because I'm showing you techniques, but you have to observe it and apply the techniques to what you're observing. So I'm showing bottom lips now, different kinds of bottom lips. There's the pan lip. There at the very bottom, looks like a frying pan. There's the nice round lip. I think the one on the complete right hand side is the two poofies, like two pillows sitting on a bed kind of a lip. So this is the breakdown. I hope you understand. Thanks.